How to set up MetaPay on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up MetaPay on Facebook. Let's just jump right in. First off, you need to go ahead and open Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on the menu icon at the top right. From here, you need to scroll down and find settings and privacy. From this, you want to go over to orders and payments. Once you open it up, you need to find your payment information, and here you have your subscription. You need to add payment method on MetaPay, so tap on that and it will directly take you over to your MetaPay transactions. Go over to manage, and here you can click on add a payment method. Then you can either add your PayPal or credit or debit card, so just select any one of them. Enter your card number, your CVV code, expiry date, your address, full name, and all of this. Now, after you've entered everything, tap on save, and you can easily make subscriptions or send gifts to your friends and family or your favorite creators via MetaPay. It does not usually cost you anything, but your bank or your service provider might have set up certain charges that might be taken from your account, so you need to keep that in mind. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.